Are you someone who has completed the graduation, or you are in your final year of graduation and to become an officer in the Indian Air Force is your dream? Then this is the right moment. The Air Force is going to conduct the Air Force Common Admission Test, that is the AFCAT, and we are going to talk about that. So the notification is expected to be out by 20th May. So the application will be open from 20th May. It will close on 19 June and the exam is expected to be conducted in the month of July. Okay, now what is the selection process? Very simple. You will have an online examination, then those who clear that, you will have the AFSB, okay, or the SSB interview that they conduct. Thereafter you will have the medical examination and the final merit list. Now this final merit list will be based on the score that you get from the written exam and the SSB interview score. So which are the different branches in which the selection is happening? Flying branch. Okay, so if becoming a pilot is your dream, this is for you. So the age limit is up to 24 years and you should have physics and maths in your class 12th. Okay, then for ground duty technical, you should be having an engineering graduation, and for ground duty non-technical, you just need to be a graduate. Okay, now for graduates technical, there is another opening that is based on the gate examination without any written exam. Okay, that's also there. So this would be the place where you undergo the training, the Air Force Academy in Hyderabad. Okay, and now if you are serious about this preparation and if you're thinking that way to start, okay, whom to approach, then you are at the right place. So ASPIRE Defense is launching an exclusive batch for AFCAT written examination, and we'll be covering the entire syllabus, all the tests, mocks, and all the support that you need to clear this exam in the very first go. On top of that, if you clear this written examination and if you're part of ASPIRE Defense, you will get the SSB mentorship free of cost. Okay, so the second stage is also been covered. So if you're serious about preparation and if you're looking for a guide, contact us.